Hi, this is Chris from Petrol Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Ford Territory TX, stock reference number 4651. This shape runs from the 5th month 2004 through to the 4th month 2009. It has a 4-litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4-litre inline 6-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. Fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have a pair of factory side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Got the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Does have some clear peeling on the garnish. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, 6-speed auto gear shifter, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Petrol Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.